All right, what's up guys? So today I'm gonna start cleaning up a lot of the interior. I have the carpet and all the other interior pieces out right now. This probably needs a vacuum before I get started on it, but what I'm doing right now is I'm just going in with a really thick brush that has some hard bristles on it, and I'm scrubbing the carpet with it so I can loosen up as much dirt as I can. And then I'm gonna vacuum it, do the same thing on that side, and then I'm gonna hit it with some super clean. This is just a super clean in a bottle, diluted. So I'm gonna do that, scrub it in real good, pressure wash it off, and then later I'm gonna extract the carpet with an extraction machine. I just want to get the carpet as clean as I can to see if it's usable. It looks usable to me. I just want to know, you know, what the color looks like. If it smells really bad, who knows. But yeah, I'm gonna start with that. So I'm gonna start scrubbing this and then get the vacuum out and vacuum it all up. So here we go. Not too bad, not too bad. Carpet looks pretty usable so far. I'm gonna soak it down with some super clean. I don't know if you guys can see this, but this side is the driver's side, and it's just saturated with water. I need to probably put some weights on this or something, and you know, just let it sit for a while. It's pretty gross, but I'm gonna run some super clean all over this and that one over there, and then scrub it all in, and then wash it off, and then move on to all those interior pieces right there. That's pretty clean. I'm gonna go ahead and get the wet dry vac and suck up as much water as I can. This took a lot longer than I was expecting, but I don't know what this brown nasty water coming from the passenger side is. See how brown it is? Got most of it out, I think. But yeah. Alright, last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my blow-up gun and go ahead and blow everything out. I've pressure washed it, cleaned it as best as I can. Now I'm just trying to make sure that it has a good chance to dry, so I'm just going to blow the carpet out real quick, and then should be that should be as much water as I can get out of it. And then I'm gonna kind of press on it to get the foam, you know, as dry as possible as well. So here we go. I'm gonna start cleaning this stuff and just, yeah, gonna start cleaning. Okay. Hey Andrew, you wanna like B-roll this? I should B-roll this, right?